So it's really cool, right? Also, I also like this one too. So debating which one, centerpiece or 3D handcrafted flowers. Thank you, Lanels.
That's it for that.
Thank you, Zrakrel. So which one should we go? Voting flowers or centerpiece?
You have 3 centipiece already. Do flowers.
Flowers. Okay, flowers it is. Okay. Gonna apply, pick up some. Thank you so much, ladies. Both. Ah, that is so nice. I think both is a good idea too. I said, okay, I'm gonna do both. Let me see if you can fit both in there. It's gonna be really cool and dramatic. I think definitely you can. All right, close that. And we are going to use the no wipe top coat. Definitely a foil is such a really a great way to upsells for the service. You can create it another layers on the client's nails and give them a lot of ideas, and then the clients can do like even if it's sample transfer foil, and then you can add some crystal on it, you know. It's really cool. It's quite heavy though. I got that one. Thank you. Ah, this one gonna be so dramatic. I would wear this one because this has a lot of the elements in it. All right, so now we're gonna be continue dress it up. I'm doing both and see how it's gonna turn out. I think I really like it.
Yeah.
A lot.
I'm gonna say the nails like I'm here. The party can start.
Thank you so much for tuning with me, enjoying with me. And I'm gonna add some frame on it, so do not afraid of if your client's like, oh, Nancy, I want both of them, can you do it? I said, of course. If the client's like say, yes, I will pay for it, then why not? You just like be creative and do not afraid of to challenge. Guess what? It just in case of worst case that if you like, oh my gosh, I don't like it, or the clients like don't like it, you know, guess what? You can still remove it. It's not going to dry to set to cure until you are going to cure it. Okay, so you have all these times in the world and a lot of opportunity to try it out. Actually, it's not bad. I like it. I'm gonna call her face because earlier I didn't apply the foil there. Right now I'm gonna add some beads on. So I not only have one centerpiece here, I am going to have two. Is beautiful is centerpiece, and also beautiful handcrafted flowers. If you don't know, the every single month your subs members, like your sub members, will get ones of handcrafted flowers on your subscription box. And in this month, it's really a lot of cool product, which is the Aurora gel polish, and plus a lot of products in the subscription box as well. If you're like not sure what you want to come create with, usually Glitz already thinking for you, so you don't have to think a lot. You just need to like enjoying it and let your creativity soar. I'm gonna put some beads along. I really like this now, even though I see it's a little bit of Dior's. Maybe didn't, maybe it's not, but I'm not going to regret it. You know what, a lot of clients know that they have that background and they still want to add more crystals on it. So if you don't want, just don't add it on, but if you want it, go all the way. Absolutely. Okay. Oh, this one is so dramatic. I like that. Okay, where my papers though? No. All right, so if you're happy with this, we are going to clear. You want that, right, girls? You want this one? This beauty. All right, here for 60 seconds.